Water levels have been rising in Mill Creek and have resulted in the flooding of some yards along Ethel Street and Byrne Avenue over the weekend. The City of Kelowna is currently monitoring the situation to make sure the creek is clear so that the diversion structure is unobstructed and can divert excess water. The City of Kelowna urges those with properties close to the water who are nervous about potential flooding to take necessary precautions and use sandbags along the edge of the creek. From Kelowna Now, this has been Lawrence Watt.